So this is the area where bikes and things with wheels can be brought to be fixed. So we've got a repairer here who's busy fixing what I assume was a puncture. Yeah. So that's really great. So come and bring your bike down if you want to get it repaired. Thank you.
And I'm a recently retired handyman who likes fixing things.
That's brilliant.
So
you're ready and waiting for people to bring things in then to fix?
Absolutely, yeah. Fiddling within my mitre gauge.
Yeah, yeah, and I love that, your apron that you've got there, it's
wearing
fantastic.
my old sofa.
You're wearing your old sofa, well that sums up what you can achieve, doesn't it?
The leather was good, so.
That's brilliant. Well, I hope people bring something in soon so you can get
So do I, but not old sofas.
So what we've done is we've cleaned it, we've started with sanding it and we're now painting it, and then when the paint's dry we thought we would maybe put some new flooring down and maybe some new wallpaper on the sides, and then the windows need replacing in the door, and then we think that it looks a lot nicer.
That's going to be fantastic when it's done, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's brilliant. And it's amazing what you can do because it's sturdy, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's the structure of it's fine, it's just a bit of TLC. And
yeah. Well, thank you for your time and everything that you're doing. It's really brilliant.
Big chest, I guess it's early days yet. So we'll see how it develops. Maybe more. Just the